If you want to create your YouTube channel in one of the best and the highest CPM categories, even without showing your face, so how about creating your YouTube channel in a movie niche? Awesome, isn't it? Let's follow me in these upcoming steps to create your profitable channel. And the first step in our today's topic, just you can head over an awesome website that's so-called a non-Chatgpt. And of course, when you land on this awesome website, you can feel as you're using Chatgpt in incognito browser. So you can use Chatgpt here for free without any registration process. And of course, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list that contains a plenty of Chatgpt alternatives, including a non-Chatgpt. Anyway, here you can use this awesome tool and ask this amazing non-Chatgpt to give you a list of similar movies to a specific movie people love so much in any genre as you want, whether it is comedy, literature, documentary, horror, and so on. In other words, you can ask Chatgpt to give you some recommendations or suggestions of movies that are alike to a specific beloved movie. And definitely, everywhere people always seek to know some movies, to watch some movies after movies that impress them so well. So for instance, we can ask here and insert a prompt like this one, give me 10 similar movies to this one. And here you can insert your movie in question like Inception, The Rock, Mother, Save the Private Ryan. So for example, Save the Private Ryan. That's a masterpiece of Tom Hanks, okay? And here you can specify your genre as well, okay, as you see. And of course, if you are binge watch and love watching TV shows and movies, so you are following what I'm talking about. So now we can click enter, and just in a few seconds, this awesome tool gives you a list of the best movies that are related and are alike to this awesome movie, Save the Private Ryan, like Inglourious Basterds, Dunkirk, Black Hawk Down, The Hurt Locker, Fury, and so on. Some fighting and some war movies, as you see. It's an amazing list, by the way. So here you can move on to the next step in our today's episode. So you can take one by one of these amazing movies and open this amazing tool again in a new tab. Okay, like this one, for example. Take this one. Okay, and open a new tab in a non-Chatgpt. And here you can ask this awesome website to give you a summary to this awesome movie. So here we can ask this thing like give me a, so you can click enter. Then you will get a short summary of this amazing and historical movie, as you see. So you can repeat this process for every single movie in this previous list, like for Dunkirk, Black Hawk Down, The Hurt, Fury, Hacksaw Ridge, Platoon, and so on and so forth, to create and generate some summaries of these movies. Okay, now it takes us to the next step in our today's video. That's how you can generate a voiceover of these summaries that we have generated from a non-Chatgpt. Of course, you can get your voiceover by yourself. You can record your voice reading these summaries of these movies, or you can get help from a freelancer on some amazing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. Or you can get help from AI tools out there, and of course, you can find the link down below in the description box. The best tools to convert text to speech to get a natural voiceover with all human voice features like breathing, pauses, exclamation, and so on and so forth. One of them, of course, is Murph.ai. Here you can find a plenty and variety of human voiceovers that are suitable for every single field and niche, like for marketer, author, podcaster, animator, and so on and so forth in different languages. Or you can use as well 11labs.io, one of the best AI voice generator nowadays. Or this awesome website is so-called cohesive.so. It's one of the best copywriting assistants out there that contains two big sections. One for generating high quality copies for social media, plugin, and so on. And the other one regarding generating high quality human voiceover. and it's as 11 labs and its voice actors. So after creating a free account here on Cohesive.so, then you will be taken to this dashboard that contains two big departments as I said before, text and voice overs, as you see in different voice actors in different languages like Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and so on and so forth. So you can convert these summaries that we have generated from a non-Chatgpt for every single movie to a voice over. And now we can go together to the next step, how we can get some video clips of these movies. Of course, you need these clips to create sort of highlights or a trailer of your movie that match with this summary. And the first way to get all these video clips from YouTube, and be mindful to be away from the old YouTube videos that have some watermark. The next method that you can head over an awesome website that's so-called HD Today. Here you can find a big library of the recent movies and old movies without any ads, without any watermark. So here you can look up any movie you want included in this list that you have generated from a non-Chatgpt in the first step. And here you can find an issue left. You can download your movie direct to your device by using this awesome website. And instead you can use a screen recorder to record this movie and get your shots as you like. And of course you can use any screen recorder you want, like Breakmaster or this one OPS. It's a free open source screen recorder. You can download in your Windows or your Mac or Linux to record and capture any screen as you like for free for commercial purposes. Then you can play your movie here from HD and play as well in the background your screen recorder and get your shots, and you could get your video clips that match your summary. Therefore, it takes us to the last step in our today's video, there where we can gather all these segments and all these elements, the voiceovers and the video clips and sound effects and so on. Here you can use this CapCut software that you can use for free as you see. So you can use CapCut either you can online or as a software downloaded to your device. So you can use a CapCut to create your own YouTube video about some recommendations of a movie people love so much. For example, you can insert your title in your YouTube video, some must movies you watch after Inception movie, for example, or the best recommendations or the best movies to watch after the Mother movie, or don't miss out the fantastic list of the movies if you love this movie, and so on and so forth. And to be more precise, you can use any one of these AI tools out there or Chatgpt as well to generate high quality and attractive and clickbait headlines and YouTube titles. Or you can use, for example, this amazing niches.com, one of the best copywriting assistants and AI tools that contains 190 AI templates that will blow your mind. One of them, YouTube title generator. So for example, we can insert here YouTube, and you can find some relevant and related templates regarding YouTube business, like this one, for example, YouTube keywords to video title, recommendations, search keywords. You can insert your title or your topic in a basic style, movie for example, and they click over this button, get content, or great ideas to generate clickable and attractive headlines as you see. And by the end, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.